Thank you for joining us, and all of you who are able to find time to be part of this really cool celebration and exciting occasion to welcome Shapeways, a global leader in digital manufacturing industry, to welcome him here to Michigan and here in Livonia. This international company has already delivered more than 24 million parts to customers located in 180 countries. Shapeways was founded in the Netherlands in 2007, and last year expanded its manufacturing operation in the United States by purchasing Linear AMS, a company established in Livonia by John Tenbush 20 years ago. He started the business with 2 people and 4 customers and grew it into 90 employees and 300 customers, while introducing many of us locally to 3D metal printing or additive manufacturing. Shapeways strives to grow in its manufacturing of parts for automotive, defense, medical, aerospace, and consumer products. This company has already invested some $2 million in new capital into this 36,800 square foot facility here in Livonia, which will serve as a manufacturing hub for this company that produces products that serves the entire world.
2, 1.
There you go.